Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Dana. I am a single mom. I have 2 kids. I live on the East Coast and I am low income. So if you want to see how I budget so that way I can survive and afford food and all that great stuff, and it might give you some tips or show you how to do it as well, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and like this video and continue to watch. So today I've been budgeting in my bullet journal. So that's what this is. I don't have one of those Erin Condren, or I think that's what it's called, or any of those like fancy things. I just have a simple bullet journal. It was $12 and I get to pretty it up with things that I'm interested in. This month is Lord of the Rings. So I'm doing pretty good. So let's see, this is going to be for Paycheck 3. So the first thing, let's see, that I am going to be doing is going to be my fixed expenses. So my rent, and hopefully you can see this. My rent, I am going to be putting $10 toward, and this is because I was finally approved for a grant for rent relief because I was behind in my rent for a while, and they decided to pay my back rent, which was only $450, I believe, and they're paying my next rent. So I still have all the money saved. I'm just gonna move it around when I do my cash stuffing, but right now I pretty much only need like, I don't even know, like $75 or something, and I'll be good for September. So rent, I have electric, which my electric I'm going to be putting $25 down. My gas bill is going to be getting $10. Let's see, my car insurance. This one will be getting $30. Internet will be getting $25. My phone will be getting $15. My storage unit, because unfortunately I live in a very small apartment and I needed to get some of this stuff out of my house. So like all my Christmas bins and Halloween and all that stuff, it goes in storage. So this is going to be $25. My Walmart. And so this one right here is because I constantly work, and so I order groceries online. It's like $13 a month or something like that, and so it helps me a lot. Like, so I don't have to go to the store, I don't have to deal with people. Plus, like, when I had COVID, I was like, thank God I had this, because I did not want to try to give anybody else COVID. So I'm gonna be putting $3 toward this. I've been putting a little bit extra my last couple of paychecks, so I'm just gonna scale it back this time. For my TD Bank, this one right here is going to be my credit card, because my other paychecks I've been putting a little bit more because I wasn't able to get into the bank. I was just doing the ATM. So this one right here, instead of or sorry, not this one, but my TD Bank fee is already fully funded as of right now. But my TD Bank is going to be getting $50. My JCP credit card, this one is going to be getting $10. I feel like I just said $50. Alright, so my TD Bank card is going to be getting $10. My JCPenney credit card will be getting $10. Burlington, this is a store card. It's going to be getting $10. And then Hot Topic, which is another store card, will be getting $10. Now with these right here, unfortunately I had to file bankruptcy, so I'm still trying to fix my credit, and so these I opened to kind of help me boost in the right direction. Right now, the last time I checked, I had a credit score of like 659 or something. It's still not where I want it to be, but with my credit score being the way that it is, I would qualify for a house. It's been 2 years since my bankruptcy, actually longer. It was in 2019. So it's been over 2 years. So after 2 years, you can start applying for loans. And then you need at least a 620. So as of right now, for some reason my credit reports are kind of all over the place. Like one is like 580 something, and I'm not really sure why, but the other two are 6 something. And so I'm trying to get them kind of built back up, because I really do want to own my own house. And so I'm hoping that in like a year, something like that, I'll be able to finally purchase a home. And so I'm trying to save as much money as I can. I'm trying to I have like another job. I'm gonna start trying to save most of that majority of the money, so that way I can put it toward, you know, a down payment. So hopefully one day I'll be able to come up with a house payment, because right now, even if I qualified, the housing payments in the area that I'm looking at is about $1,900 a month, and I make like $2,000 a month. So I got a lot to do, a lot to save for, you know. We'll eventually get there, but right now I'm not there yet. I'm still very low income. Alright, so moving on, I am going to go ahead into my variable expenses. So my gas money, I've been budgeting $50. Food, I've been budgeting $100. Household, I'm going to put $5 toward that. Dining out, which is like my biggest challenge, is $10. And my miscellaneous is going to be $5. And then this is like whatever I might actually need. So right now I'm not wearing a brace, but I actually, most of the day I'm wearing a brace because I sprained my wrist. Because I swear I have the worst luck in the world, but I'm okay. So yeah, the majority of the time I'm wearing a brace. I had to go and pay for that brace, and that brace was like $30. So this miscellaneous has been helping me a little bit. I still have to use some of the buffer money that's in my account, but so right now I'm doing pretty good. Alright, and then the biggest things that I am going to be trying to work toward is going to be like my sinking funds. And so I have allowances for my children. Now I do have one child who is 18. He is actually a special needs child. So I give him an allowance. He's not going to be able to hold a job without help. I'm still trying to find him like programs and stuff for that, but it's going to be challenging. So as of right now, he doesn't have one. My daughter does have a summer job, but she's gonna be, I think, working like 1 or 2 weeks, and then she goes back to school. And then after that, I told her, because she's only 15, she's not 16 yet, that I want her to focus on school right now, and then hopefully maybe next year she'll be able to get a part-time job after school. For back to school, I'm going to be putting $5 in case I have to buy a Chromebook or, oh, sorry guys, or whatever. Because last year they kind of gave the kids Chromebooks, but kind of didn't. It was all over the place. At first they didn't have enough Chromebooks for kids, and then they finally gave my daughter one after she was using a broken phone for a while. So I gotta see how it's gonna play out this year. And I'm just kind of condensing these. Oops, hold on, I did that one wrong. So for clothes, they're gonna get $5 each as of right now. The only thing that they really need for back to school is shoes. So they should be fine. Universal, I was approved, so yay. I was approved for my time off in October, so I'm gonna definitely need to bulk up this soon, because I gotta do airfare, I gotta do food, I gotta do tickets, I gotta do everything. So that is coming up. Concert is going to be getting $5. Haircuts is going to be getting $10. And then car maintenance, this one's gonna just be getting $5 for right now. Also, I have laundry. This one is going to be getting $3. And New Jersey is going to be getting $20. Now, I was saving to go on a family trip to Lake George, and we went last year and my kids really loved it, so we kind of wanted to do it this year and go with my family, but my family's not able to make it, so we're gonna go to New Jersey instead, where they're from. So I'm just saving for that, and then whatever remaining is going to go into my savings challenges. So I'm just gonna put savings challenges. This is going to be a zero-based budget. So I got paid, which for some reason I never said that, but I got paid $560 every single week. That is, unless I don't show up or I miss a day or God only knows, $560. That is how much I get paid. So let's see, 560. Just gonna move this over a little bit. Take away 20, 25. Yeah, I did that wrong. 560, take away 10, 25, 10. So how have you guys been doing? How's your summer? Get to go anywhere exciting? I really wanna go somewhere. But unfortunately, I haven't gone anywhere because I've like just started a new job. So I'm like, it's kind of hard asking for time off when I'm like, hi, I know I'm brand new here, but I need like weeks off so I can go not be here at this brand new awesome job you gave me. I don't know if I'm doing this correctly. $5, $10. But how are you guys doing with your budgets and saving for food? I watched like a couple, so I have $39, but I feel like that is not, oh, you know why? Because I didn't do this one. So I have $19 remaining. Which I think I missed something somewhere along the lines, but I'm just gonna put 19. So I have $19 remaining, which I'm going to be putting toward my savings challenges. But yeah, I've been noticing, move this up. I've been noticing that a lot of budgeters that I watch, they've been struggling with food too, because food prices have been going up. It's like everything has been going up. So if you know any tips, make sure to write it down below, because believe me, I don't know what to do besides run in and run out, not look at stuff. Like I'm trying, hopefully, well, what I've been doing is I've been doing like the Walmart, and then I try to stay within my budget, so that way I know exactly how much it equals up to, and then they'll deliver it to my house. But last time I ended up going over by like $14, so it's working, but it's still crazy. But I feel like every time I walk into a store, I'm I can't walk out without spending $150 on something. And so, like I said, if you know any tips, you know, besides shopping at Walmart or shopping at Aldi, because Aldi even raised their prices too. So I'm like, I don't know. But right now I am sticking to these budgets. I'm making little changes and I'm trying. You know, before it was $100 every 2 weeks. Now it's $100 a week with the inflation, especially with gas. Before it was like $40 every 2 weeks, and now it went up to $80. Now it's up to $100. So it's still growing, like it's still there, but little changes, cutting out little things, not eating as much fast food, you know, and being lenient on everything is keeping me on track. So that's what I'm doing. But what are you guys doing? So I am going to go ahead and sign off, but I hope that you have a really, really good day, a really good night, and a really great week. Alright guys, I will see you later. Bye.